Another video. Today we will learn about basic programming in Python. Python is one of programming language. There are a lot of different programming language around the world, and Python is one of them. Python is a little easier to learn as compared to other programming languages. The syntax in Python is very easier. What is syntax? Syntax is basically uh, codes. Writing words and signs, and that words and sign can be understandable by computer. Because why we have to learn the programming language? Programming language is the way where we can communicate with the computer. The computer can't understand a normal language that we speak. So there is certain codes and signs that we have to write, and when we run that code, the computer understand what we are trying to say. So today we will learn about Python. Python is one of the easiest language as compared to other programming language. And this is the IDE where I'm going to run this program. There are different kind of IDE we can use to run a program or code. And this is one of IDE, and it's a PyCharm. Its name is PyCharm, PyCharm. There are different kind of IDE. We can also use a Visual Code, and there are a lot of others. So how you can download this IDE? You can simply go to search engine and you can search PyCharm and you can download from there. And today I will run some basic codes in Python and we will try to learn how it works. So I'll start with the basic command print and start with this parenthesis and this quotation. I'll try to write something in between of this uh, quotations that I just wrote, and then let's run this command. Here we can see what is the result of this code. This is it's saying here hello world, because I wrote the hello world in between the parentheses and this quotation marks. So you can see here we can write another code and try to understand how exactly this language work. Let's read this code and let's try to run another code. Let's write print and let's try to run anything like I live in Canada, and let's run this. Let's see saying here I live in Canada. Let's try some other codes. Let's try something with variables. If I say x equals to 5 or 6 and y equals to 24, then I want to print the output of these two variables. Let's say I want to addition these both variables, so I just say x plus y. So let's run this code. So we can say the result is 41, and let's try. But here the thing we need to understand is, if I write the syntax print parenthesis x plus y, then we will get the result 41. But what if I do the similar that I put quotation mark last time and I try to run this code in between of these quotation marks? So let's see what is output of this code. If I run this code, now you will be wondering that we get the output as x plus y, because here when we putting this quotation mark, this shows that the x is string, is not integer, and y is string, is not integer. So it will consider 6 and 35 as a string, not an integer. So if we want this this if we want computer to understand it, this x and y as integers, we have to write the code like this. So x plus y, no quotation marks. If we run this code again, so we're gonna see the 41 is output. But what if I put the quotation mark around this integer 6, and let's see how this code works. So you can see here this code will not work because I couldn't define what exactly the x is. I put the quotation marks around the 6. So while why I want to show while putting this different quotation marks and while writing like this, it shows that the when we're writing some code, it's very important that we have to write that code in certain way. If we don't write the code, the computer will understand something else, and then the result will be totally different. So this was one of the basic example I want to share with you, and here. So this is a basically integer, how we can write integer and how we can get the output out of it. You can do multiple codes with this while putting x is equal to 25, y is equal to 24. You can multiply, you can divide, you can add. There are different mathematical things you can do. This was the basic program that I want to share. I'll come with another video with more complex codes and more complex programming with another knowledge. Thank you so much for your time, and please subscribe my channel for more videos in future. Thank you.